How to visualize Net Promoter Score result in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for CSAT Survey Bar Chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. CSAT Survey Bar Chart is created successfully. CSAT Survey Bar Chart Data Requirements. 1 categorical data column that contains the topics. 1 numerical data column that contains the scale values. 1 numerical data column that contains the record count values. CSAT Survey Bar Chart can be created with different scales. Detractors, score 0 to 6, are unhappy. Neutrals, score 7 to 8, are satisfied but unenthusiastic. Promoters, score 9 to 10, are loyal and enthusiastic. You can change ranges of promoters, neutrals, and detractors. Important: CSAT Survey Bar Chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Settings button to change the chart settings. Click on the Miscellaneous section. You can change the values for detractors range, neutrals range, and promoters range. Click on the X-axis section. You can show or hide top axis. You can show or hide bottom axis. Click on the Cancel button. Click on the Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Bar section. You can show or hide labels. You can change the color of bars. Click on the Outer Rect section. You can change the color of outer rects. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Text section. You can change the text. Similarly, change the text of other legend. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.